When you sneeze, you have to cover your mouth like this, okay?
Yes.
Mom!
Thomas, what are you doing now?
I'm giving this precious bread to my mom.
No, you can't.
Why not?
That is the hand that you just sneezed on. The germs and virus that's in your hand touched the bread. Imagine if they go inside of your mother's mouth.
No, what should I do?
You must wear a mask if you don't want to spread the virus to others. When you sneeze, cover your nose and mouth with your left sleeve or use a handkerchief. You must keep this in mind.
Aha! Achoo! Like this?
Good job, Thomas.
Oh, Karen! You should cover your mouth like this when you sneeze.
I'm sorry, I just sneezed all of a sudden.
Here, wear this so the virus can't get through the mask.
Thanks, Thomas.
Let's go play there!
Okay, Thomas.
Everyone, wash your hands very well. When you want to sneeze or cough, cover your mouth and nose with your sleeve. It is good to wear a mask. Everyone, we have learned about the appropriate sneezing etiquette and wearing a mask. What do you think about it? Was it useful?
Yes, we should make a habit of coughing the right way and always wearing a mask whenever we go outside.
Yes, that's right. Achoo!
That's right. And it doesn't end here, but it is important to keep it as a habit, to keep practicing it. Everyone, you must remember. Remember again and again and practice the appropriate sneezing etiquette. And the kids go,
Achoo!
good job.